Hey, this is Greg from Lift Innovations. So this is sort of a stainless steel grinder update. What you're looking at in front of you, this is the tub that I took off of our media tumbler. I'm going to do some modifications here. So what was happening was, the problem that we were having was the parts were getting dented. And because we had the stainless steel parts, they're a whole lot heavier than the aluminum ones. And what was happening, I'll just sort of zoom out here, when the media was tumbling sort of around in this fashion here, the parts, usually they should sort of float and rotate throughout and get tumbled. But what we were finding was happening is they were sort of accumulating in the bottom of the tub here instead of going around, and when they're in the bottom they were sort of hitting each other, and assuming it's pretty much because of the weight of the parts. So what we're going to do is the manufacturer of this tumbler here, they offer a partition so you can tumble things separately in the same tub. So what we've done is we made a template here. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit here. I used all my craft skills that I got in kindergarten to make this. So there's these little grooves here that they've already made so that you can put a partition in. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be building these partitions out of ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. So we've got a sheet of it over there, and then also some aluminum angle to hold it in place. So we're just going to mimic what the company sells. If we bought as many as we need, we'd sort of go bankrupt. And this is Sparky. She's coming to help here. So I'm going to be doing different parts of these projects, so I'm going to snip together this video. So this is sort of part one.